update with the 66 F100, man. That front end swap I was telling y'all about. Still in process though, but finally got the front end put on it. Get ready to get everything done on them. They're gonna take the frame and everything. They're gonna take the cab off. I'm gonna start fresh from the frame and build it right back up. Put the LS motor in, LS2. It's coming soon, y'all. 66 F100. LS swap, front end swap. Getting the whole frame redone, repainted. Everything gonna be sanded down, looking good. Do interior, new floors, everything. It's gonna be real nice. Everything gonna be gone. But get it tugged in the back so I can put some 12 wides on it. It's gonna be a clean truck. It's a nice little project I got going on, y'all. Nice little project. 66 F100, y'all. Y'all keep it locked. Watch how we work. This truck is gonna be clean.